Today I'm going to show you how to go live in OBS. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on settings over here. Once you're in settings, you're going to go down to stream, and here you are going to choose the service that you would like to stream with, right? So all of the main services are here, but if you'd like to go and click on show all, you'll be able to see a longer list. But on top of this, you'll be able to also custom over here, which will allow you to add in your server, your destination server, and your stream key over here. Now, what we essentially want to do is we want to just go back in here. Let's click on stream again, and you will see that right now we're in YouTube RTMPS. This is the one that you want to use if you are using YouTube to stream with. Now, of course, your settings will be different depending on who your streaming provider is. So this is going to be specific for YouTube, but it'll be more or less the same. You'll have to connect your account. So over here, your server over here, make sure that it is the primary YouTube ingest server, okay, as is. And here, the best way to do this is click on connect account. You'll now have to choose the account that you're connecting. So go ahead and choose the YouTube account that you are going to connect. Go ahead and click on the YouTube channel that you are wanting to connect. Click on continue, and now it says authorization completed successfully. You can now close this page. That's fine. We're going to go back here, and here it says connected account. It gives you the account name or the YouTube channel's name, and then you're going to click on apply. Very, very simple. Now we have this little chat window over here, which is amazing. This will allow you to, once you have opened your broadcast, create your live chat, and it'll appear right over here. For now, we are going to just move it across. Okay, we'll just move it out the way. We can also add it in over here if we'd like, but for now we want it on our main window. And now when we go into YouTube, we can actually start going live on YouTube, and it'll use OBS's settings and everything else directly when you are wanting to go live.